Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an amazing natural solution to tackle those pesky cockroaches that might be lurking around your home. We're going to be using two simple household ingredients, baking soda and onions. Stay tuned because this DIY is going to make your home roach-free in no time. All right, let's get started. Here are the two magic ingredients: baking soda and a humble onion. These items are not only readily available, but they're also safe for your family and pets. First, grab a mixing bowl and let's add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. This common kitchen staple is known for its powerful cleaning properties. Now let's work on our onion. We'll finely chop it up. Onions are not only great in cooking, but they also have a natural repellent effect on pests like cockroaches. Next, we'll mix the finely chopped onion with our baking soda. This combination is like a 1-2 punch for those unwanted critters. Now, find the areas where you suspect the cockroaches are hiding. Dust the mixture in these spots. Make sure to pay extra attention to dark corners, under appliances, and along baseboards. Remember, safety first. Wear gloves to protect your hands while handling the mixture. For best results, reapply the mixture every few days, especially in high-traffic areas. This will help keep those roaches at bay. And there you have it, folks. A natural cockroach repellent that's effective, safe, and budget-friendly. Say goodbye to those unwanted guests.